Hey, if you are a local business owner, then you might be need customer each and every day, but you can't. The solution is Google Ads. Google Ads can bring you customer regularly and very high buying customer regularly. So you can ask me, what is Google Ads? Google Ads actually a marketing platform which is powered by Google. So why should local business owners use Google Ads? So, as a local business owners, I think you need a customer each and every day, which are very high intent customer. So, the Google Ads work. Google Ads find you that type of client very easily. How? Now I'm going to explain it how. So, a customer who is willingly search on the Google. I need a plumber nearby or a plumber in Nami, then it's clear that he needs plumbing service very urgently or very emergency, or he needs actually customer plumbing service. So Google Ads work on that. So Google's in the top of the search, Google Ads bring your website for those type of customers who are searching their services or product. So it's very clear that those type of customers need the services. So they are very high intent client or customers. And also another thing, and also another thing, the people which type of people needs very urgent services like plumbing services, electrician services. They are almost every type of customer in the USA and also western country. uh, they are searching on the Google. And I need plumbing service emergency or pipe repairing service emergency. Then, and also there, Google Ads can help to bring the top your businesses in the Google search. So you can find always very high intent client by Google Ads, and and also you get very high buying client who needs very top-notch businesses because Google Ads is a very reputed ads. So Google search and also search engine also the top level of search engine in the world. So in there, people are willingly search you. So Google Ads, you can use this type of Google if you want customer regularly, then Google Ads can be the best solution for you. I recommended you to use this tool, use this marketing platform for your business, and take the customer uh, and get the customer regularly. Because if you don't use the opportunity, then that's always loss, bring the loss for you. So no more today. Thank you for uh, watching this video. Bye bye.